Hello everyone, and welcome to my unboxing and review on the Motorized Henry and Winston Greatest Moments pack. Henry and Winston was released by Fisher-Price in 2021. Although it does not say on the packaging, this pack is based on the episode Henry Spots Trouble. The pack includes a regular Henry and Winston with her Topham hat. This pack is quite nice. I'm a fan of these new Motorized Greatest Moments packs, so I decided to pick a couple of them up. I think the Motorized Henry looks pretty good. He's exactly the same as the Trackmaster Revolution model, and I like his face. Winston is cool, but he does have a few flaws. His face looks a little bit off, and I wish that Sir Topham hat was removable. Overall, I would only recommend this to people who want to collect everything. I think that you would be better off getting the Plarail versions of both of these guys. If you like this video, be sure to check out my other videos, and remember to like and subscribe.